Hi Leo, welcome back to my channel. So this love reading is going to be for the month of July. So we are going to get started right now by tapping onto your energy, how you are feeling in this situation right now, Leo. For my Leos, please, how's their energy? How's the energy of my Leo friends over here? Wow, Five of Pentacles right off the bat. You are missing someone, you are thinking about someone, you are feeling like, somebody, yeah, somebody is definitely ghosting you right now. With the Judgment card, it seems like you have left things on the hands of destiny and you're like, if it is meant to be, it will just come back to me. Let me just walk away. With the Sun card, what you're seeking for right now is that ultimate, fulfillment, emotional fulfillment, financial as well. For some of you, you might really be working hard for your career. Some of you might have gotten started with, something new, some sort of business, all right. Yeah, and this is your energy as well, so you are coming up strongly in your own reading. So I can see that you walking away from some sort of situation that was not desirable for you, in being in which was not very much easy with you, and you have become spiritual in the process is what I'm seeing. You are listening to the divine guidance that is coming along your way. You are paying attention to the synchronicities and very cautiously you are moving forward, and you are now determined to keep yourself happy no matter what. You want to be in charge of your own happiness is what I'm seeing over here. All right, so what is this person in your mind thinking about you right now? This is going to be a brief reading. I'm just going to keep it pure, simple and authentic. All right, so how's this individual in your mind feeling about you right now? Some of you might want them back, some of you might not, but let's see how's this individual. Yeah, Ace of Swords. So this person definitely wants to talk to you. This means, like reconciliation. If this is an ex person, definitely, if this is literally your ex, then definitely someone is thinking of reconciliation and coming and talking to you once again. If this is someone with whom you haven't had it started at any level, if it was simply a situationship is what I mean to say, okay. In that case, definitely, this person wants to come and finally have a date with you and simply sit yeah, face to face and talk about how they are feeling, about you. Somebody wants to talk, basically. That is what I see. Wow, Queen of, about what? About how much they still like you, okay. Probably for many of you it seems like it's a situationship which you have given up on. It was really very good. This situationship was quite appealing for you, emotionally, and you felt like it was destined for some of you. But then, yeah, you felt like as much movement forward should have happened from this individual did not happen, so that is why you walked away. But then this person is still thinking about you. If you're feeling like it's a case done, then definitely it is not. Somebody is thinking of coming and talking to you, and that too about with the Queen of Cups, somebody who has a lot of love for you, a lot of fun feelings for you. They really want to keep on staring at you is what I'm feeling, okay. So they adore you, in the simplest terms, and they want to come and talk. Wow. Let's see what else is this person feeling. Wow. Now, if there is no such individual in your life, if you are somebody who's absolutely single, you don't have anybody in your mind, then definitely such kind of individual might be coming. All right. So yeah, with the but for many of you, yeah, because of Six of Cups card over here, this has to be some individual whom you had either situationship with or relationship with in the past. All right, and this might also mean this person feels like a yeah, this person feels like he or she will be able to live their childhood with you once again, which means yeah, because the Sun card also, you are in this energy right now. So probably, wow, I'm hearing you're posting things on social media for some of you. All right, or maybe even if you are not posting, even if you are even if they are simply watching you from afar, they find this inner child still alive in you. Look at this baby over here. This inner child still alive in you, which which is so youthful, and because it is so youthful, it is very much attractive for this person. And because Six of Cups relates to the childhood memories, childhood friendships, all right, or being energetically feeling like a child again. All right, so when this person looks at you, they find you very vibrant, vigorous, full of energy, just like a kid is, who's ready to explore the world. So when they look at you, they yeah, feel content because they can see such energy in you, and that's something that they really adore. All right, Leo. Wow. Hierophant card. This person undoubtedly is thinking very, somebody out there is, I'm getting the word adore. Somebody is adoring you, and this person simply, it's not like a very passionate feeling like, I want to rush towards my Leo, I want to, sweep him or her off their feet or something. Nothing as such, but a deep contemplation, the planning for a lifetime. Hierophant card, Taurus energy. Somebody is deeply, deeply rooting upon this connection. All right, wow, the Hierophant card. Somebody is thinking marriage. With this person has so much of love for you. It seems like for a while this person might have remained confused, and when they were confused, you also happened to be confused, and you felt like, now simply sitting over here and waiting for this individual is not something I can do forever. I have to, get life going, I have to work, and that is exactly why you left things in the hands of universe, and you're like, all right, if it is meant to be, it will happen, but I'll have to go out there and earn for myself, for my family, for some of you, for your kids. Some of you might be single mom or single dads over here, or you might simply be divorces, or maybe you have become single after the past heartbreak, and yeah, you are really trying to you know have that recognition for you, have that abundance, financial abundance and stability for you as well. So you are, moving on with your life right now, but then this person's memory is still there. But it is not something that greatly traumatizes. For some of you, you really have matured, but for others of you, you might still, miss this person a lot because of the Five of Pentacles over here. Definitely all of you miss, but then yeah, because of the Sun card, you're very much motivated towards life still. You're not like sitting there crying and wailing. Many of you. For some of you, your heart really breaks when you think about this person. You don't know anything about any of this, whichever I'm telling, this person wanting to talk to you, they having a lot of feelings for you, they feeling childlike when they are around you, and they finding it so much satisfying, and then they now seeing that long term stable relationship with you. What else does this person feel? Yeah, to some extent this person has regrets about how they might have treated you in the past, is what I'm getting over here. All right, so for some of you, this person might have been indifferent about this, love connection. Probably, they knew, they had some idea that, you really liked them, how deeply you felt for them. For some of you, you might have already, expressed to this person, but then it seems like this person did not pay attention at that time, and now this person is, definitely, yeah, regretting for their past actions, is what I'm sensing over here for some of you. Okay, take it as it resonates. So yeah, this person definitely wants to come forward. So the question which I'm getting in my head is, what will be the movement forward then of this individual? What will be the movement forward? Thank you very much. Hmm. Queen of Swords. So this person will come and talk to you. But yeah, what these two cards, what I'm getting intuitively is that they are viewing you like the Queen of Swords. Now they are finding it very difficult to approach you, because whatever happened between you two in the past, intimidates this person. It is going to be quite a move for this person to, step forward and speak their heart out. But this person, is thinking of, approaching you quite romantically to ease out the situation. So this person feels like, that spark is definitely there in my Leo's heart for me. I know that, and I just have to go and stir that a little, and everything will come to balance once again. So so much of love, thinking of approaching you, so romantically, trying to adore you and spoil you to some extent. Knight of Wands, somebody who's like going to worship, you for your beauty, your personality, inner beauty, outer beauty. Somebody who is going to have, simply, yeah, good words and compliments for you, and somebody who's like, yeah. I'm hearing gorgeous lips. Probably, somebody's going to come and tell you that you have gorgeous lips. For someone out there, I just heard that. But then, yeah, that is only an example. Somebody who really wants to approach you in that way, and somebody who wants to melt this Queen of Swords. They know that, yeah, your heart chakra might be closed to some extent, but this person wants to just come and melt you down. Wow. What is the advice for my Leo? What is the advice for my Leo? Yeah. So stay wherever you are, do whatever you are doing. You don't need to make any kind of movement, because this person is coming. Universe is bringing this person to you, and with the Page of Swords, yeah, you will receive some sort of message from this person. You don't need to do anything, just stay there. Yeah, keep on doing you as you have always been. Okay, you are in this the energy of the Sun card, so you are doing fantastically well. You are simply working, you are focusing on yourself. Self love is the also there, so you are doing exactly the thing that you need to do. So Page of Swords means, pages are the messengers. So this person is going to be in this energy and is going to approach you with all the truth, you know yeah, kept on the table in front of you, and then it'll be like your decision. But somebody really wants to melt you down. Somebody wants to win the heart of this Queen of Swords and is ready with all the passionate feelings that they have as the tool with which they are going to, yeah, accomplish, have that mission accomplished. The mission of winning your heart. Wow, Leo, this is so gorgeous. I'm so satisfied and happy with this reading. I hope it helps and resonates. If it does, like this video, subscribe to my channel. Until the time I see you again, I love you so much. Bye.